In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Google Sheets using an easy method that involves conditional formatting. This process is really useful when you want to visually distinguish certain data entries within your sheet, making it easier to read and understand. So whether you're trying to make important information stand out or just organizing your data, highlighting text in Google Sheets is both simple and efficient. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, feel free to create a new spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open and ready, let's move on to the cells you want to highlight. For this particular example, we'll be working with cells F2 to F28. To select these cells, simply click on F2, hold down your mouse button, and drag it down to F28. This action will highlight the range of cells so we can get started on applying the format. Next, look at the top menu and find the Format option. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and click on Conditional Formatting. This is the feature that allows us to automatically style our spreadsheet based on the content of the cells. Once you click on Conditional Formatting, you'll be directed to the Conditional Format Rules pane on the right-hand side. Now, in the Format Rules section, you'll need to select a rule. Here, choose the option Text is Exactly. This tells Google Sheets that we want the formatting to apply when a cell's content matches an exact text entry. For our example, let's assume we're interested in highlighting the word true. So, in the text field that appears, type in the word true. Now, whenever this word appears in the selected cells, it will be highlighted. To add some visual emphasis, let's change the fill color of the highlighted text. Click on the Fill Color option, which will open a palette of colors. For this example, we will choose yellow, but feel free to select any color that suits your needs or preferences. Once you're happy with your color selection, click on Done to apply the conditional formatting to your selected cells. With the formatting done, it's time to test it out. Click on cell F2 and then type in the formula AS rejects match C2 Apostle. This formula will check the contents of C2 to see if it contains the text Apostle. Once typed, hit the Enter key. You'll notice how the cell's appearance changes when the condition is met. Finally, use the autofill feature to apply this formula to the rest of the cells in your range, from F2 down through F28. Simply click on the small square handle at the bottom right of the cell you just formatted and drag it down to F28. This will replicate the formula across your selected cells, and as a result, any further matches in column C will automatically highlight the corresponding cell in column F. There you have it, a simple, effective way to highlight text using conditional formatting in Google Sheets.